تعال نتعلم أهم 20 اسم يستخدم في اللغة الإنجليزية اللي هي 20 common used nouns in English. Time. I don't have enough time to finish my work. I don't have time to finish my work. Person. The person who won the race was very fast. The person who won the race was very fast. Year. I was born in the year 2000. I was born in the year 2000. Way. There is no one right way to do things. There is no one right way to do things. Day. I had a really long day at work today. I had a really long day at work today. Thing. I need to buy a few things from the store. I need to buy a few things from the store. Man. The man who helped me was very kind. The man who helped me was very kind. World. We live in a big world with many different cultures. We live in a big world with many different cultures. Life. I want to live a long and happy life. I want to live a long and happy life. Hand. I injured my hand playing basketball. I injured my hand playing basketball. Part. I need to replace a part of my car's engine. I need to replace a part of my car's engine. Child. My child loves to play in the park. My child loves to play in the park. Eye. She has beautiful blue eyes. She has beautiful blue eyes. Woman. The woman who works at the library is very knowledgeable. The woman who works at the library is very knowledgeable. Place. Let's find a quiet place to study. Let's find a quiet place to study. Work. I have a lot of work to do today. I have a lot of work to do today. Week. I'm looking forward to the weekend. 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 To, not to. Case. The police solved the case after months of investigation. Months. Point. What's the point of arguing about? What's the point of arguing about this? What's the point of arguing about this? Government. The government is responsible for providing public services. The government is responsible for providing public services. Thank you very much.